Oh my goodness, look at these plates. Look at that. It's like a floral pattern on it and they're gold. Charger plate, of course. That is so pretty. And they have a stack of them. They still have the regular gold ones right here with the, you know, things around it. And then they have silver. But this is my first time ever seeing these. These are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm over by the makeup department and I just kind of wanted to come and see what was put on the shelves today. So far I don't really see anything. They're bringing back out the beauty benefits. Let's see. Let's see. The charcoal face mask. Over here in the hair section, they have these, which is called a spa comb. I see that one in pink, and in black it says raises and separates hair after removing braids and rollers. Wow, okay. Gently massages scalp without messing up hair and can be used on wet or dry hair. Okay. And then what is this? Active hold head wrap. It has active hold technology. It's called I'm Active. Over here I see some new little wristlets. This pattern and this one. That's pretty. It has a little wrist handle. And then I also see this one right here. And the rest of them have been here already. These are the ones that come with two. And the black and white. Here's a sleep mask with the earplugs to match it. That's cool. And they still got these. Beauty Queen. They have different ones that say different stuff, but today I only see Beauty Queen. Over here they got these super cute little angels. Look at that. That is so pretty. So I only see two. The one that says Angel and Love. Up here I see some new crosses. I see this one. It's pretty. And then this one says Grace and their wood. And then they have this metal piece on it. And I also see these with the little burlap bow. Only, well, no. Yeah, I only see those in gray besides this one. And then I see these as well. They have some refresh auto vents that you put in your vent of your car. They have wildflowers and love. And that is the only fragrance I see. And they have a bunch of those. Like all the way down. Don't I always come a day too early? You got this one down here. And you got like 3 carts down there filled with boxes. Oh gosh. Oh, these are cute. It says 4-in-1 travel sticker games. Includes reusable stickers. Includes 2 sticker sheets as well. So you can play this in the car. I remember Target had something like this at the dollar spot. So anyways, I see this one. They look to be different because they're different colors. I see a fire truck, moving truck. On this one I see a pig, a rabbit. Wow, I don't know if we would see pigs and rabbits and deers. Well, that's because I live in the city, but that's kind of fun. Let's see, a barn, railroad sign, license plates. So they just have different ones, but that's kind of cool. Oh look, they have another door decor kit. Remember the last video I did, I showed the one with the giant gumball machine. Here's another one with some dogs that goes on the teacher's door. That is so cute. Leader of the pack with all the little dogs. Let's see, I think that's the only one I see. What's this one? Oh, Hooked on Learning. So they have different ones. Wow, I haven't seen these in a long time. Those were the coloring clear stamps. They usually have a whole stack of different ones, but this is the only one I see today. So it must have been somewhere and they just put it out. Oh, here's some new little cat stickers. I see the cats, I see sports, and there's some dogs. And I think that's it. Yeah, there's the planner stickers back there. Oh, these are cute. Those are really pretty. Let's see if there's any different ones. So you have that one. Okay, I found this one before. And I just see more of the same ones. Oh, wait. Oh, those. Look at this. Look at that bike. That is so cute. And I love the black background. And that's it. That's all I see for those. Oh, that's new. That one. What else did I see? Okay, I remember this one. And that's it. But those are cute. So I purchased this one before. I think I should get these two right here. Oh, look, they're putting out their gifts for mom. And they have these, which are super cute. You can reuse the cup for other stuff. Because it has an opening for you to pour them out. But I see yellow, pink, and purple. And they also have some new scissors, the Jot brand. Look at that cute little floral print. They also have some stripes. And I see the cute polka dots. Oh, look, here's one more. Oh, I like those. Oh, right here they got some camouflage pencil pouches. I see this orange. I see this one with the dark green, black and white, and then I also see this one. Oh, look, here's some new washi tape. So I see this one with the triangles on it like that. This pattern right here. Sorry for that glare. This pattern right here. It looks like that. Here's some planets and a diamond. Look at that. That is so pretty. I think I'm going to get that one. And then this one, oh my goodness, it looks just like the stickers. You remember the stickers, the like neon ones? And that's the washi tape right there. So you have all that on there. So cute. Then I see this one with some just like stars on it. This one says, life is beautiful, life is good. And it has like the blue and the green. Here's this one. That one's a little boring, but it's cute. This right here. And then the last one on here looks like that. And there may be a couple missing because I see 2 or 3 slots missing, but I'm definitely going to get this one and this one today. Oh, look, I found another strip hiding over here. So let's see which one did I miss. Oh, look, there's a cat. That one. Oh, that's cute. I might need to get that one too. So there's those. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Let me take that off. Look at that. If it'll focus. Look at that. How cute. The little makeup bottle, the mascara, or eyeshadow, I should say, the mascara. Look at that. The little glasses. Okay, I like that. And there's 2, so I'm definitely gonna get both of those. So I had to walk back over here to show you in case you didn't know what I was talking about. So this tape right here with the neon matches these stickers like this. Isn't that fun? Oh my goodness. And I do have most of these at home. So, and I have showed these before in the past. So I'm definitely, oh, they still have this one. Do I want another pack of these right there? No, I don't. But I just wanted to show you guys that it matches this set of stickers. Oh, look over here. They still have the Eiffel Towers. They got some more of the donuts, the pigs, and all of these goodies over here. The little jars, the prayer jars. Okay, so now that I'm actually in the car section and not in the front by where they had those auto vent sticks, they actually have these as well, mini diffusers. So you get 2 of those. And then I do see a different fragrance, Perfect Peach. So they have the Love, the Wildflowers Love, Perfect Peach, and they brought back my favorite ones, the coffee ones. These smell so good. They don't last that long, but they smell amazing. They have a little bit of everything here today. The smartwatch case, they got the bands, they got the pretty audio cables in these really pretty colors, the phone holders, let's see, the microfiber cleaners. What is this? A stylus pen. A little bit of everything. So they're like well stocked over here. Oh, look at all these colors they got. Here's some little, those kind of like baskets, but they're made out of like PVC. So they have purple, pink, and blue. And then they have these sandwich containers in those really cute colors. You got that turquoise, pink, purple, and blue, as well as the soup containers. These are not new to Dollar Tree, but they're bringing them out for spring, so they have all their colors out, as well as the measuring cups in different colors, pink, purple, blue, and turquoise. Isn't that nice? Okay, I'm not sure what these are. I mean, they're just a tumbler, but it doesn't come with the top, unless they just didn't put the tops with it. But it just looks like a regular tumbler, and yeah, I don't know. It's kind of cool, but I'm wondering if the tops are missing. You know what? All of my cups like this disappeared, so I think I need to get one of these, the take it to go one, sit back and relax, and the happiness in a cup. Actually, I'm gonna get this one. And then they're putting out their cooking concepts, the silicone style utensils. So you have the whisk, you got tongs, and they come in all different colors, spoons. And these are cool for like spring, but they have a little bit of everything. Slotted spoons. They even have the what is this called again? The basting brush, that's what it is. And they got more down there. Then I've spotted some Peanuts Band-Aids, and you get 20 of them in there. These are probably super cute. I love Charlie Brown. And then here's another box down here. Look at that. I think just because I'm gonna get 2, even though we don't even use Band-Aids like that, but because they're Charlie Brown, I'm gonna get them. All right, you guys, I am back here by the food. I will take a minute to look through and see if I see anything. So far, I don't. But thank you guys for coming. I am super happy about this washi tape. But I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye.